Deforestation is the removal of trees in the forest.
These are our rainforests. The rainforest that used to cover 16% of our land, but now only 6%. 50% of all species live in these rainforests. Like the monkey.
Or the bird.
Imagine if this was all gone. This would be what it's like without rainforests. And this is happening all across the world today.
Well, how can I help?
First of all, you cannot buy expensive woods like mahogany from the rainforests. Most often, these are used for furniture and buildings. There's plenty of other beautiful woods that you can use. Mahogany trees take hundreds of years to regrow. You could also help by telling loggers not to use the slash and burn technique. This technique is where they cut down the one tree that they use and then burn the forest around it. So if there was one tree right here, they would have just burned all those plants. So then it'd just be like an open field. Did you know that millions of years ago, rainforests covered 16% of the land, but now they only cover approximately 6%?
I didn't know that.
Did you know that rainforests are disappearing extremely fast? It's at a rate of 40 million acres per year.
No, I didn't know that.
Did you know that the rainforests are being cutting down for some pretty serious reasons?
I didn't know that.
Did you know that a quarter of our medicine, the whole world's medicine, is found in these tropical rainforests? And only 1% of the plants have been examined for it so far. Who knows, there could be a plant with a cure for cancer out there, and we're destroying it.
I didn't know that.
Did you know that if a logger wanted to cut down one tree, he could destroy 30 to 60% of the trees around it just by trying to cut down one?
I didn't know that.
Hi, I'm JJ Clark, and I'm here at the red carpet to ask some people what they think about today's environmental issues. And I'm interviewing Kelly Cook.
Hi. Hey.
Hi. What do you think about today's environmental issues?
You know, there's lots of environmental issues. Could you give me a specific?
How about deforestation?
You know, deforestation is a big topic and lots of people don't agree with it, of course, because it's just cutting down trees. I think the reason behind why they're doing it is not that bad because they're mostly doing it because the rainforests are in developing countries. And in those developing countries, the population is growing and they need people to get a surplus or like money. So they cut down the forest so that they can farm food and get money for themselves. But the soil there is so poor and so unfertile that very soon, just a few years after they do it, they have to cut down more trees to make new farms so they have new soil. So I think that we could work a little bit better on how we farm and stuff over there.
Here are some pictures of deforestation in the rainforest. If global warming is real, then deforestation could be the leading cause of it. Global warming is caused by too much CO2 in the air. It could be causing it because since the plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, the plants can't if there aren't any there. The plants will release extremely high amounts of CO2 into the air if we don't stop deforestation. If we cut down trees, then the birds will have no place to live. If the birds have no place to live, then they will get really cold. If the birdies get really cold, they will die. Don't let the birdies die. Stop deforestation.